Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the app or the primary language on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky, then go to these three lines up here and then go to the settings, and here you will find the languages. Click on it. Now as you see here, you can change the primary language easy just from here. You can choose any language you want, and that's it. That's how to change the primary language on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.